Are you tired of sending invoices with the wrong company name? Learn how to update it in Odoo in under 2 minutes. I'll show you exactly where to click, from the home page to the final save, so you can change your company name without any hassle. You'll begin by navigating to the home page of Odoo. From there, click on the Settings option in the menu. Now, in the top bar, click on Users and Companies. Next, click on Companies. Then, click on your company from the list. Click on the company name field and type your new name, like Technova Solutions. Finally, click the Save button at the top left to save your changes, and you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.